Hi everybody, and you are now ready for your exit ticket for week 4-3, helping verbs. So you should have just watched a video that reminded you of the 23 helping verbs. We have not practiced all of them yet, but we've practiced some of them. Go ahead and pause the video and see how many of the helping verbs we practiced so far that you can name off the top of your head. Jot them down on a piece of scrap paper or your whiteboard, and I will show them to you as soon as you unpause the video. Alright, so here's the list that we've worked on so far this week. Forms of the word be is are, am, was, and were. Other helping verbs are forms of the word have, has, and had, and then we also have will that helps tell future tense. So let's practice those on your exit ticket today. Let's start at the top where you're just choosing a helping verb that is in the sentence. You can write the helping verb or you can simply circle it. It's up to you. I'm going to circle it. Native plants have disappeared from the bay. Where is my helping verb? Is our am, was, were, have, has, had, or will? Native plants is my subject. What happened to the native plants? They have disappeared. Have is my helping verb because it helps out the main verb disappeared. So you should circle the verb have. Please do the entire section like that, either circling the word or writing the helping verb in the sentence. And then in the second section, you are going to choose which helping verb fits in the sentence. Your choices are here, and remember, you can use them more than once depending on what your subject is and depending on when you want that verb to happen. So number 9, yesterday John and I blank talking about the environment. John and I am talking about the environment. John and I is talking about the environment. John and I are talking about the environment. John and I was talking about the environment, or John and I were talking about the environment. Boy, if I look at John and I are talking, or I would say John and I were talking. You really have to look at when you want this verb to happen. Were we talking yesterday, today, or tomorrow? If it's past tense because it already happened yesterday, which helping verb works here? Are or were? Were is our only option because we want it to be past tense. It already happened. So let's get rid of are, stick were in there, and reread the sentence. Let's make sure it sounds okay. Yesterday, John and I were talking about the environment. Sounds good to me. Go ahead and do that with the rest of this section, really thinking about what tense you want that sentence to be in so that we know when the verb is happening. There is no correcting with your exit ticket, so as soon as you're done, check it over and go ahead and put it in the basket for me to correct this time. Thank you.